Okay, here's an update of my Predator bike. It's kind of like put a lot of things in one bike, but this is a lot of imagination. So today is a Monday in Bangkok, Thailand, which is we are quarantined in the house, so we have a thing to do. So I cut this piece today, so don't judge me about the metal work because I don't have the shear metal sheet cutting or something like that. And so I got this piece. This piece basically is from Geiger counter. So if somebody in US might recognize. Here we go. This is a complete but different models of Geiger counter. It's not a can. So that is original yellow. So this is what we call CDV 700, but it's not working anymore. We don't have a cold wall anymore. So we can see here. This is Geiger counter with the green. It's very popular back in the 60s Cold War, which every house have in US. So I got this one from eBay in US long time ago. So I got a good use of this one. So I think it's nice to have this, and we have this to put in here. So it's gonna be look like very cool, I don't know, but it's like a steampunk mix version of the future bike, or many people say it is like a Mad Max. You know the Mad Max. Gonna be like we have wireless, and this motorcycle will be like, I hope not, like a Mad Max during the time of the, like Walking Dead or something like that. So this is electric bike. So emergency, this one is temporary. So I'm gonna wiring in here, and and this here maybe put extra. It's like extra battery, not like a full 72 volt, maybe 36 volt, and just for emergency when one of these pack is ran out, so I can go home. It's an extra jump start or something like that. So it is emergency stop just in case something happen, so we can have time. So it might have some kind of like I was thinking about to put the CO2 tank for fire, something like that, but it's kind of cool. You put everything together, and like this bike gonna be a freak. That's what they call a weird bike, but it's really useful because it's electric. And many people know if you're watching my channels. So okay, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. I'm not a YouTuber, but I like to share my knowledge and to see what I can do. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Stay healthy. Bye bye.